Let's make light, flavorful, roasted chickpea tacos with spicy avocado and cucumber salsas, the Savory way. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Drain and rinse the chickpeas. And mix with the chili powder, oil, a pinch of salt, and a few grinds of black pepper. Spread evenly on a baking tray. And roast for 30 minutes. Gently shaking the tray every 10 minutes. Cut the avocado in half lengthwise. Remove the pit. Scoop out the flesh with a spoon and place in a food processor. Cut the jalapeno in half lengthwise. Remove the seeds with the tip of a knife and roughly chop. Roughly chop the green onions. Remove the leaves from the mint sprigs. Add half of the jalapeno, half of the mint, all of the green onions, two tablespoons of lime juice, and 3 tablespoons of water to the avocado, and puree. Season the guacamole with salt in moderation, pepper, and more lime juice if desired. Store covered in the refrigerator. Cut the cucumber lengthwise. Remove the seeds with a teaspoon and cut into cubes. Thinly slice the remaining mint leaves and finely dice the remaining jalapeno and toss with the cucumber. Season to taste with salt in moderation and pepper. To assemble, top each tortilla with the lettuce leaf, guacamole, cucumber salsa, chickpeas, and crumbled feta. Serve and enjoy your roasted chickpea tacos with spicy avocado and cucumber salsas made the Savory way.